Hello, and welcome to this ClassClac tutorial. Today, we're going to be learning about the matrix calculator web app. On the matrix calculator, you can find your basic functions here on the right, your matrix functions here towards the middle, and your matrix list here on the left. The flow of matrix manipulation is simple. First, you create a matrix by typing in capital letters or tapping one of the matrix letter buttons. Note that you can only use letters A through H. Second, you adjust the dimensions of the matrix and fill out its elements. We'll go with a 3 by 3. Lastly, you send the matrix to the output and can now use the corresponding letter to do matrix math, such as taking the determinant of a matrix, taking the inverse of a matrix, transposing a matrix, and much more. Let's create a second 3 by 3 matrix so we can do some multi-matrix math. Now we can do things like matrix addition, matrix multiplication, and matrix powers. Let's have some fun and put that all together. We'll type in AB squared minus A squared B. And that's all for today. Thank you for tuning in to this ClassClac tutorial.